on YouTube. Amber! Fire!
Ready?
Yeah. Oh shit! We're gonna die!
Chelsea, hold one up in the air.
Don't hold it out! She'll get attacked. Sandy's got a life jacket on. At least put a life jacket on before you do that.
Let's get it out.
Oh, man!
There, put this on and put it, like, keep her on. Really? Okay. Pull it really tight. You go way up the front and do it.
Hey, don't be happy for that. Everyone sees you.
Amber's feeding them her fruit snack.
Get her. Hold it up in the air.
No, I'm not getting attacked.
The big one. Hold it up in the air.
The higher they go, the more likely they are to catch them in their mouth.
Okay, up.
No, don't break it.
No, the whole thing.
I don't want to see it.
One does.
This is good.